Keto cauliflower fritters, another quick and easy recipe. This is 1 pan recipe, so please keep watching this video. Thank you really much, new subscribers, and thank you so much old subscribers. I really appreciate all of your support. And also I want to say hello to my mom and my brother. They're living in Italy. And actually these cauliflower rice fritters are Italian inspiration. I live in Italy for so many years. Now I've been in the UK since 2015. I really love cauliflower, and I think that is one of the best keto and low carb ingredients. So if you are like me, struggle to lose weight, just try this recipe, maybe it's going to help you. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and please comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this music, and I think that is so relaxing. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook. You can find me with the JustKetoUk. Keto cauliflower fritters. Oh my gosh! Lovely recipe. Try out this recipe. See you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!